Good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, till now only 41 students are joined out of 73. Already I told if you join on time, that would be fine. And also, what do you call? Easily you can get the attendance also. So till 1 minute, 1 or 2 minutes I will wait. Then I can start next topic. Can you hear me? Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. And today we are going to discuss about, yeah, fine. Today we are going to discuss about entrepreneur risk manager. Okay, entrepreneur risk manager. So there are lot of definitions and the explanation given through business, entrepreneur, intra-entrepreneur, and also what do you call entrepreneurship. So many definitions, so many explanations which was discussed in last two class. Today we are going to see what is the main difference between manager and entrepreneurship. Unlike entrepreneur. So when we are going to start a business, just a minute. I will share that slide. You can see. Yes. Yes. Is it clear for this
Yes,
presentation?
sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah, thank you. And now you can see this entrepreneur risk managers. If you look at any different types of business before going to start, you have to know idea and also concept and methodology so that through that business you may get some profit. So those things you can define or you can evaluate in terms of entrepreneur and entrepreneurship, intra-entrepreneurship, and so many what do you call terms or definition will be included. Then we are going to discuss about this entrepreneur and manager. The main difference between entrepreneur and manager is the role in the organization. Okay, the main difference between the entrepreneur and manager is the role in the organization. So you know, an entrepreneur is the owner of the company. Okay, an entrepreneur is the owner of the company, whereas manager is the employee of the company. This is a major difference. So they may ask, and also elaborately we will discuss about managers, this entrepreneurs, what are the roles, and also some what they call responsibilities and also what they have to do it. So once again, an entrepreneur is the owner of the company, whereas the manager is the employee of the company. The next up, if we take this entrepreneur, is a risk taker. Okay, is a risk taker because that entrepreneur is going to spend some money through any type of business, and if through that business he may get some profit or losses also. So that is why an entrepreneur is a risk taker. So they take financial risks for the what they call entire business. The entrepreneur has a vision and focus on achievement and profit. Already we were discussed about that point. The entrepreneur has a vision and focus on achievements and profit. So mainly they look at achievements as well as profit through the business. So the introduction will move on this entrepreneurs managers the same points what we discussed. The owner of the company, whereas manager is the employee company. But main thing for entrepreneur is a risk taker because he is going to spend all money through that particular business or project or whatever things. And also, if you look at this entrepreneur, easily we can understand that what we call Suppose you are going to start a business, you have to do that vertical to form a team, and also you have to know knowledge. Based on the knowledge and what type of business you are going to start. So through that business, vertical, you may get some idea or innovations. You may get some idea or innovation. So based on that innovation and idea, we can create what we call teams, and also you can make leadership. So and also what we call this entrepreneur, easily you can see risk tolerance, because he has to take all the things from beginning to end of the business. If anything happening through that business, is a responsibility, and also he has to tell all the things. And next, for entrepreneur is a one shows that entrepreneurship. However, such a person usually has some unique attributes. Okay, that entrepreneur usually has some common or general or unique attributes that allow him to be successful in his what we call projects or business. Project or business. So through this slide, we can easily understand that an entrepreneur is a one-man show that runs entrepreneurship. However, such a person usually has some unique attribute that allows him to successful in his what I call life or like projects or through that what I call in terms of business. And also what I call he is a essentially what I call decision taker. Entrepreneur essentially to decision taker and also leader, and he brings business ideas to what I call in a good way, and how to approach methodology and the process. And also we have to satisfy the customer satisfaction, and also the product to be what I call selling social media what I call in a good way. So these things definitely it can be done by only for entrepreneur, not for manager. And see that the another definitions also you can learn about an entrepreneur. A successful entrepreneur is usually a responsible person. Okay, successful entrepreneur is usually a responsible person, because he has to take all the things what I call the team or individual or like what I call this leadership quality also is most important for that entrepreneur. So if taking for responsibility through that company or business, definitely any type of projects or any type of business, there is no losses will be happen. It may be increasing for growing growth or increase the profit. And also is a what do you call that entrepreneur is accountable for the success or the failure of his venture, and also that takes responsibility very seriously. So that may be happening for success or that may be happening for loss, but particular entrepreneur he has to take for through responsibility, and also what we call lead them how to solve particular problem based on that what we call business. And also is the only person in charge is automatically the leader. Okay, the entrepreneur is the only one person is automatically the leader role. He can assign all the jobs, and also he can do everything in the right way. If the thing is going for wrong way or losing something in the wrong way, he has to correct immediately and do the methods or what do you call business in the correct or lead the correct way and get the profit. In fact, leadership qualities are one of the main aspect of entrepreneur. In fact, leadership qualities that is most important. That is what I given here: team, leadership, risk tolerance, knowledge, innovation, business. If you know all the things thoroughly, any person, okay, any person, they can lead any type of business in a profit way. In a profit way. So that is what is given here. In fact, leadership qualities are one of the main aspect of an entrepreneur. The next, just you go through that 2 or 3 slides. If we get something, a good entrepreneur is always oriented towards the past present, future, none of the above. So anyone can attempt these questions. A good entrepreneur is always oriented towards either past, present, future, or none of the above. So which one is the correct statement based on the entrepreneur? Anyone? So in between some MCQ questions also we may ask. So try to tell based on the what I call topics to be covered each slide. A good entrepreneur is always oriented towards either it should be considered past or present or future or none of the above. Anyone?
Future, sir.
Future. Other students? Others? Only one is there. Out of 73 students, only one student studying for this subject. I hope all other students respond. It may correct or not, but I want to expect other students also. Immediate. Yeah, don't type anything in the chat box because I projected full view in the presentation. So you can tell openly, no issue, whether it is right or not. That may be awarding marks, that's all. Future, one answer is future. Anna, any other students? Any other students? Fine. So look at that questions, you can tell the answer. So whereas manager, okay, whereas manager already we told the employee of the company. Employee of the company and also is not an owner of an enterprise. Okay, is not an owner of an enterprise. So employee of the company and for this manager responsible for the management and administration group of the people or department of the organization. This manager also lead the administrative responsibility as well as management, whatever giving the roles and whatever assigning the work he has to do, not for like entrepreneur. The manager day-to-day job is to be manage his employees and ensure the organization runs smoothly. Day-to-day job is to manage his employees and ensure the organization runs smoothly. So this is a main difference between what I call entrepreneur and manager. And also, when compared to entrepreneur, a manager must possess some of the same qualities. Okay, some of the same qualities like leadership, accountability, and decisiveness. These things most important. What I call to be referred if you join any company as a manager, they have to check these are all the qualities. It is related to entrepreneur also, and also you must also be a good manager of people. So under manager, they may work 10 or 20 people. So the manager should give responsible to others. So the people they may work what I call without any disturbance or without any problems. So qualities such as what I call that may be empathy or like warmth are also very important in the manager. That depends upon the working culture and depends upon the programming and day by day the manager roles also will be changing. So we have to assigning the roles in proper way. If assigning the roles proper way, so there is no problem will be happen for any type of business like mass production or batch production. Different types of process, different types of business can be included what we call in terms of various companies. In terms of various companies. So the manager is a main role like entrepreneur, but some qualities the same or some qualities should be similar to entrepreneur, but what I call difference will be what I call when compared to entrepreneur, manager is the employee of the company, whereas entrepreneur is owner of the company. And also you can see the entrepreneur, what are the points to be considered. These are all the roles mainly to be what I call take care about entrepreneur. Okay, take care about entrepreneur, but this already we discussed in the benefit and also characteristics of entrepreneur. The third one you can see that key motivation for entrepreneur is achievements, and second point also you can see that focus on starting and expanding the business idea. How we have to start the business and which method and which way we have to start the business. Based on the business, what is the outcome? So what is the outcome? So through that outcome, you may continue from next job or like next the business also. Through that small type of business, you may continue for next type of business. So it may be achieved some good profit only. And then fourth one, reward for all the efforts is profit he earns from the enterprise. He earns from the enterprise. So that is what I told. Reward mainly expecting or focusing efforts to take for profit. Whatever business, you have to start and spend some time to the product business, and also you can expect in positive way some profit, and no need to leave or no need to give it for negative thought. So business in different way, it may be thinking of like positive or like negative also, but always you have to think for positive and you may get for profit. So this is main aim or goal for entrepreneur. Whereas manager daily is going to any type of company, he is going to do some job with respect to some people they may assign. And entrepreneur can be informal and casual. Entrepreneur can be informal and casual. And first point also you see that vision and financial risk. Vision and financial risk mainly for entrepreneur to be considered, whereas manager no need to worry about the vision and the financial risk because he is doing his job whatever company will be assigning. Whereas entrepreneur is the owner, the company fully in charge for entrepreneur. So he has to do all the things. And the next manager, so you can look at manager works for salary and does not have to what do you call any risk. Okay, he don't want take any risk. He has to work 1 month or 2 months or 3 months. He's expecting only for salary. He's expecting only for salary. And also manager already I told manager on daily smooth functioning of business. So he has to do on daily basis which type of business and method it has to be followed and what ways to be carried out particular projects or process also. Manager's motivation comes from the power that comes with that position. Okay, the entrepreneur directly we can start. So he's a owner and boss, whereas manager's motivation comes from the power that comes with the position. Directly, nobody will get manager post, but what do you call beginning start like labor and the supervisor and like assistant to supervisor. Similar that what do you call day by day or year by year, you may change the post. And remuneration is a salary he draws from the company. First one is expecting for salary based on the daily, and the fourth one remuneration is the salary he draws from the company. So anything happen for regarding that project or business or any proposal through the company, if failure happening, manager don't worry about those things. But entrepreneur, if anything happen, he has to solve the problem where it is creating failure, how it can be solved. So these are all the things most important for entrepreneur when compared to manager. And last one, manager's approach to every problem is very formal. Manager's approach to every problem is very formal when compared to entrepreneur. And this is a main key difference between entrepreneur and managers. We can expect or we can say any terms. We can expect or we can say any terms. Three difference I will show each and every slide. So first aspect, position, you can take position whatever with respect to entrepreneur. Already I told that is the owner of the particular company, whereas manager is employee of the particular company. Role of the entrepreneur is executing ideas and setting up a business. Executing ideas and setting up a business. This is what I am going to start. So through that business, you may get some profit or you may get some losses also. Whereas manager administrating, controlling, operating a business on a daily basis. If continuously following, so you may get for salary end of the month. And functions, you can see like the entrepreneur, it talks about accumulates labor, tools, machinery, technology for organization. Whereas manager utilize available resource. Whatever utilize available resource, so that he has to take care and do this protocol process on daily basis. Implement strategies, ensure proper functioning of organization. Ensure proper functioning of organization. So that is most important for manager role. And rewards. So the main aim of the entrepreneur before going to start the business or after starting the business or some days or whatever things, they have to expect through that business profit only. But manager always expecting salary at the end of the month. Either he may take leave or he may work 10 days or 20 days, but finally our managers getting salary through the end of the month. Whereas entrepreneur, he has to work all the days without what they call taking leave or what they call rest. Risk. So entrepreneur, you can see risk has to take financial risk because money. So money is going to spend before going to start a business. So that type of business or like what they call financially, he has to take all the risk. But manager doesn't take any risk. Vision and mindset. So vision and mindset for entrepreneur, make profits and serve society. If getting getting profits and getting good name for society, so definitely the people will go what I call a long path or they can grow different level of business. You know, different people they have started different business. Now they have reached for highest place. So you can tell HCL manager, Sivanada, and also if we talk about Ambani, so those people they have started different types of business, but now they have achieved some targets. And whereas manager self-development and growth, self-development and growth. So that should be vision and mindset. So entrepreneur through approach, you can see inventor, innovator. Entrepreneur approach mainly focusing on inventor and innovator. So what we have to do day by day, and that inventor and innovator, it may be reaching to society or it may getting some profit. So these things is expecting from entrepreneurs approach. Whereas managers, executor and planner. So today I have to do this work and tomorrow I am going to start some other what I call assigning the role that may be execute. So today I am going to start some work. Tomorrow I am going to execute something to some other people, like a deputy manager or like what I call supervisor and labor, whatever things. So this is a main key points or difference between the entrepreneur and manager. And also simple way you can see that difference between entrepreneur and manager. The last point, entrepreneur already we discussed, informal and casual, whereas manager approach to every problem is very formal only. Manager look at all the problems is very formal, whereas entrepreneur it may consider informal and casual. That depends upon the types of business. That depends upon the types of business. we have to what you call solve those problems. And reward for all the efforts is profit he earns from the enterprise. And manager already we discussed remuneration is a salary. And the key motivation for entrepreneur is achievement. So this is I done for today. So tomorrow what I have to do. Next day what I have to do. So the achievements mainly for encouraging those who are going to start a business like entrepreneurs. Whereas manager motivates comes from the power that comes from their position only. Okay, power that comes from their position. So we have to wait when we are going to get position of manager. So the power comes from the position, we have to wait. And next you can see the vision and financial risk, all those things already we discussed. And also another what we call key points, basics for comparison. What is the main difference between entrepreneur and manager? Okay, meaning of the entrepreneur you know, and the meaning of the manager also you know. Like again I'm repeating, an entrepreneur is the owner of the company, whereas manager is the employee of the company. Okay, and the entrepreneur also is a what do you call? Is a risk taker. It's a risk taker because he is spending financially all the issues and also money. If based on the money or what do you call financial issue, he has to get some profit also. Mainly focus for entrepreneurship, business startup, whereas manager is ongoing operations. So today what they have to do, tomorrow what operations or what methodology or what project to be complete. But the focus on entrepreneurship, every day they have to start different types of business. Through that business, they may get some profit also. And primary motivation for entrepreneur achievements only. But manager power comes from their position only. Power comes from their position. And the approach to task. Whereas entrepreneur, if you look at the approach to talk, informal. But manager always approach to talk formal because under manager so many people are working. So he is going to controlling all the things day by day and also how to do all the operations. All the operations in terms of mechanical or chemical or any what do you call food process, any other things also. Now the next decision making and the driving force, then risk orientation. So these are all the things what do you call with respect to entrepreneur and like what do you call manager. Based on that entrepreneur and manager, you should know successor. Okay, you should know what is the use of what do you call planning. Okay, how to make a planning with respect to different types of business. For example, entrepreneur, if suppose is going to start any type of business, he has to put full effort and also planning. The owner may be interested in leaving what do you call some kind of business he may lose, but he has to put some planning. Through that planning, that may be happening for profit or that may be happening for what do you call losses also. But the interest have to be recognized and also focused based on the what do you call which type of business is going to start, and based on that business either it's going to get profit or like losses. And next you can know about new business idea. So through that entrepreneur what do you call new business idea. So beginning he may started for some small scale business. So through that business he may get some profit. Whereas new business idea, it is a important to stress that though a new or what do you call day by day the business that may be happening new technology. So the new business idea greatly enhances the chances of success. Your new business idea greatly increase or improve the chances of success. So success is most important based on the different business. And also it is much more desirable to spend time in what I call the meaningful way, like a business plan around a new idea, then what I call try to get some other business to what I call different people. Okay, different people. And next thing we can discuss about this entrepreneur. If anything happen like entrepreneur from the business families, okay, entrepreneur from business families. So traditionally there have been a few social ethics group. We have to dominate the business in India. Okay, so in India, like already we told, many people Tata, Birla, Tata, and what we call some other companies like so, HCL and also Reliance Group. So many companies they have to start it, and the different types of business they have even in meaningful way. So this is what understanding of entrepreneur versus manager, and followed by that an entrepreneur what type of business is going to start, and what are the key points is needed. What are the key points is needed. So that is what I told in the beginning. An entrepreneur is a one-man show, only one-man show that runs entrepreneurship. However, such a person usually has some unique attributes. However, such a person usually has come from unique attributes that allow him to be successful in his throughout life. Allow him successful in his throughout life. And also that entrepreneur has a vision and focus on achievements and profit. So everywhere you can see that one word is common. An entrepreneur has a vision and focus on achievements and profit. Why we are telling that vision and focus? Because entrepreneur is a risk taker when compared to the manager. Finally, conclusion. After reviewing above points, we can easily stating or what I call concluded that entrepreneur and manager are two different persons in an organization. Okay, two different persons in any organization. That's what I told. That depends upon the role. Depends upon the role and depends upon the responsibility. It can be include various posting like entrepreneur or manager. And also we should not what I call compare. So this is for entrepreneur and that is for manager. So they have to do what I call different process and methodologies and what we call operations also. We should not compare to them while managers concerns with managing available resource. Entrepreneur focus on spotting and capitalizing opportunities. So this is a main conclusion. What we call we got it. What is the main difference between manager and entrepreneur? Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So in beginning, I told so this a good entrepreneur is always oriented towards we think about only future, not for past, present, or none of the above. If we think about future, so anything happening like losses, he has to adjust and also solve some problem how it has been happening. So what are the steps to be carried out for success of any type of business? If we take any serious through that business, all entrepreneur definitely they may get some profit and they may get some achievement. So that is what I told entrepreneur through achievement is mainly important. Manager there is no achievement because they have to do the job on daily basis and the end of the month they may get some remuneration through particular company. So again I am telling all the students try to keep or check any other patent is possible. We have to file it through any business or like project something. It may be product used for society or patent. So patent also one chapter. If you know the knowledge, so this is what you call new method. Nobody will done. So this is a happening of new technology or new method means we have to take patent and we have to approach to our college. So through college we can get what you call funding. So we no need to what you call spend money also. So easily what you call you may get some different what you call funding and you may publish that patent. So all the students just check any availability of patents or any what you call product you're going to show to social media. So this is an important thing for our quality assessments. So no need to take like in terms of writing and uploading PPT and those things we don't want. So beginning itself try to cover any type of business, any type of patent possible to put a what do you call in social. Any doubts? Yeah. So just I'm going to show attendance. See, once I mark the attendance, I can't change. You can tell me and see only 66. So before going to start a class, only 46 to 47 students was there. After started my lecture, 65 students are joined. So in Google software, it will be detected at what time you are joining and what time you are leaving. So better all of you join on time. Just listen the class. If you have any doubt, you can ask. I will share that Google Classroom code also. Just a minute. Already I shared that Google Classroom code, but now I'm going to see all the students try to use by Cornell mail because we are going to what you call upload assignment. Again I'm telling I don't want assignment. Just check some other ideas. It may be useful for society also. Answer the attendance. All the students just get